Hi, it's Brett, and we're back in the kitchen with another detox smoothie for BowelClenz, Detox. So today what we're talking about is BowelClenz, because when you detox your body, a big part of what you're doing is looking after your bowel health and your gut health. So this smoothie is particularly good for detoxing and cleansing the bowel. So what we've got in this one is aloe vera, which you may know is very, very good for the gut health, but it's also a mild laxative. So I've got an aloe vera leaf. So I've got the aloe plant growing in my garden, or you could use aloe juice, which we've got available on our site as well. And it's even more convenient if you've got aloe that's processed into ice cubes, which you'll find a link to next to this video. So we've also got some kiwifruit, because kiwifruit is also known to be a mild laxative, but it's also very good for your gut health. Apple, which has got great apple pectin fibre, which is excellent for your bowels. And also we've got some prunes we're going to put into this. Another thing we're adding in here is chia seeds. So I've got some chia seeds here, and I've been soaking these chia seeds for a half an hour or so, because you soak them in water and the gel comes out. It's got a very, very good fibrous, what they call a mucilaginous gel, which is an excellent mild laxative and healer for the bowels as well. And we're also going to add in some plain acidophilus yogurt. So this is a fantastic combination for your bowel health. All right, let's put this together. So we're just going to chop up these bits of fruit into large chunks, starting with the apple and then the kiwifruit, which will just peel, basically just chop that in half. So with the aloe vera, you need to slice off the two sides and then push the curved side down. Yeah, that's right. And then you can slice off the bottom of the leaf, and then you should be able to easily fillet the top. And you get a beautiful fillet of aloe vera juice, aloe vera gel. You can actually make this in advance and puree the gel into ice cubes, which is really convenient. And here we've got the chia seeds, which have thickened up nicely after soaking for about half an hour. And just a close-up look at these chia seeds, you'll see, you can actually see the gel in between these seeds. See the gel that's come out of those seeds? And that's the gel that's really healthy for your bowels. And I've just thrown the 3 prunes in there, and now we've got some BowelClenz powder. So that's got all the detox herbs in it. Or you could use body churn, which has got the slimming herbs and detox herbs as well. About a cup of yogurt, and then lastly 150 ml of filtered water, which I've filtered through the Alka jug, which not only filters the water but alkalizes and mineralizes it as well. Awesome, now we'll just blend this up. So that was about 1 minute in the blender to make a beautiful, pure smoothie. You could sweeten this with a little stevia if you like, but it's beautiful, just as is.